guys, and in front of me is Redmi Note 15 5G, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So at first, enroll the settings, then find and select Personalization, and here just pick the album from which you want to select your new wallpaper. It can be one from System Wallpapers, one from Editor's Picks, Online Wallpapers, then also themes and so on. But let me choose, for example, this one. If you like it, just tap to see it on both home and lock screen. If you like it, just tap on apply, and then decide if it's for your lock screen only, just your home screen, or both of them. I'll go with the third option. And that's it. As you can see, wallpaper is applied. Here it is. And you can also see it on your lock screen. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.